Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method in Shopify. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply go to settings down here. Then just simply go to payments. Then whatever payment method you're using currently, you'll find it over here. So in order for you to change it, what you have to do is just simply click on manage over here. Now after that, just simply click on choose another provider over here. Then again click on choose another provider. Now over here we'll find multiple payment providers from which you can choose. So just simply choose one of them, go with Visa. After choosing your payment method, then just simply enter your account information, then scroll down and click on activate to checkout, or whichever payment provider you are using, just simply click on that. Then just simply click on activate to checkout. So as you can see now, my to checkout is activated. Now just simply go back, and after that you can add your additional payment method as well. So just simply again click on add payment method, and over here you can search your payment method. For example, if you want to add your credit card or debit card, you can also add that over here. So just simply choose that. Then just simply activate one of these, whichever you may like. So let's go with this one. So just simply click activate. Again, enter your details, click on activate, and it will get activated. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.